cell organizations. So what's mean by cell organizations? Okay, from cell to become organism. So how we arrange all the cell in your body, different 到 cell in your body, become an organism, 变成一个生物。Today our title will be Cell Organization for Multicellular Organism. Okay, so multicellular organism, they're having more than one cell, thousands, millions of cells. But how they arrange the cell into organism? 怎样把细胞变成生物呢？ So you turn to your notes, page number 9, 第9面哈，来了。好 ，follow me, you draw slowly 哈，跟着我，然后你要慢慢画。Number 1, okay. So in our body, we're having some muscle cells, okay. But how the cell finally become an organism, become your body lah? So number 1, muscle cell, they join together. They become a piece of muscle, 变成了一块肌肉 okay. So muscle cell, the same type of cell join together, it become muscle tissue, 变成了肌肉组织，一块肉。And now epithelial cell, 外皮细胞 epithelial cell, 外皮细胞 they join together and they become epithelial tissue, or another meaning, something like your skin 你有一块皮 okay. And now nerve cell join together, they become the nerve tissue, 神经组织 okay. So or another meaning, same type of cell join together, become tissue, 变成了组织。 Remember, draw slowly. And in the video, I will be very fast, so you can pause the video and you draw slowly lah. So the video maybe take you 6 minutes, 可能6分钟. But if you finish the lesson, you copy your notes, you learn slowly, okay? The 6 minutes finally maybe extend to half hour, 可能变成半个小时的. So video 会比较快，你自己 pause, 你自己慢慢抄，慢慢 enjoy. If you not understand, you repeat 啦，啊，你重复。Okay. Now we're having a piece of muscle, 一块肌肉 a piece of epithelial tissue, 一块皮 and some nerve tissue. But how the different tissue join together become organism? Simple. When different tissue join together, 当不一样的组织呢结合起来 for example, okay? When different tissue join together, so for muscle tissue, it become the white color muscle beside your eyes. For epithelial tissue, it becomes the surface, 它变成你的眼睛的表面 For example, this layer. And now, nerve tissue we put inside your eyes, so it can send the impulses go to your brain. 它把神经 impulses 神经讯息送去你的脑袋。Oh, our conclusion is here. When different tissue join together, it become organ. 它变成了器官。But organ is not the human body. It's just small organ only. So how the organ finally become human body? 器官怎样变成人类的身体呢？ So we continue. 再看呢，this one not available on your notes. You just understand only 啦，明白就可以了哈。来 ，So cell join together become tissue. Different tissue join together, 不同的组织结合 it become organ. So now I'm making one of the organ in my body 啦 ，the mouth 变成了我的嘴巴。Okay. So our mouth having the the tissue called epithelial tissue, 外皮 okay, muscle 有一点点的 muscle. And now cell become tissue, tissue become organ. I make another organ called liver, 叫肝 okay. Cell become tissue, tissue become organ. So I make another organ called stomach, 就变成了肚子，对吧？ And now cell become tissue, tissue become organs. So now I'm making my intestine. 我做我的 small intestine, large intestine, 小肠、大肠。But now what happens? Can you see something very special? And now when I'm having more than one type of organs, 各种各样的器官 you can see the organ actually they work together. 他们一起做工。Okay, and they start to having a function. For example, our mouth take in the food, 它吃东西。Our stomach digest the food, 它消化食物。And the digested food will be absorbed by small intestine, 小肠吸收食物。So when different organs they work together, they join together, 他们一起合作做工 they start to having a function, and now they become more complex, 它变成更复杂了 and we call system, 就变成了系统。But now you look at the system, this is what we call digestive system, 消化系统。It's not your body. It just can eat, it just can digest, it just can absorb the food. It's not your body. You cannot talk, you cannot move. So now, never mind, I'm making another system. 我做另外一个系统出来。So cell become organ, organ become system. I'm making the organ, for example, our hearts, 我们的心脏。And I make some blood vessel, 我做一些血管下去。And it become the circulatory system, 血液循环系统。Okay, so after you absorb the food can be pumped in the blood and go to your whole body. And now I join the system into the digestive system. Okay, and next I'm making another system. 我又在做一个系统。I'm making the nose, I'm making the lung. So you start to breathe. 你开始呼吸。You get the food, you get the oxygen. So now you can burn the food. And you can oxidize the food to get energy. And now you start talking and non-stop talking normally in the class. Okay. And today in the video, just I'm the only one talking only. It's quite funny actually. 有一点不习惯，没有人乱，没有骂人。And now I'm making another organ called brain, the nerve, 神经线 and become your nervous system. I join it again, 又结合起来。So when different systems they work together, 各种各样的系统呢 they join together, work together, finally it become what? Finally you can become very complex organism, 变成很复杂 you're having a lot of function, 有很多的功能 and you become organism, 就变成了生物了 Okay, so this is how you become the organism, 你将变成生物的 Okay, or again look at the notes, page number 8, but this one maybe not available. 你可能没有 So cell become tissue. Different tissue join together become organ. Different organ work together become system. Okay? But now how we go exam? 考试怎样考呢 Okay, one of the question is very famous and it will be 2 mark, 它2分呢 So now look at your notes. We try to answer the question. Or in exam, how we write the answer for this title 啦？这个 title 的答案怎样写呢？很简单，来。So number 1, they will ask you what is mean by cell， 什么叫细胞 ？Okay, I make it bigger， 给你看比较大。So what is mean by cell? Cell is a basic unit of life， 生物最基本的结构。Okay, or what is mean by tissue？ 什么叫 tissue 呢 ？Okay, so tissue they are a group of same type of cell join together. When all the same type of cell join together, 同样的细胞结合在一起，就变成了组织。Or the keywords here， 它的重点在这边 ，same type. Okay， 同样的细胞 join together become tissue. Copy slowly, You can pause the video. Remember, okay？ 我等你一下。Okay, next. Now, when different tissue join together, work together, so a group of different tissue work together, join together, it become organ, 就变成了器官。So the keywords, different tissue, 不一样的组织结合变成器官。Or what is mean by system? 什么叫 system 呢 All the organ, not all lah, okay? When certain organ they work together, they're having a new function, so now they become a system, 它就变成了一个系统。Okay, so what is mean by system? They are made up of a group of different organs. 一大堆的器官 Okay, they work together and they become the systems. And now, when all the systems join together, it become organism. So what is mean by organisms? Made up of different system. 各种各样的系统结合变成的一种生物啦 Okay. So they say this question is 2 mark. 如果你考试的题目 they ask, what is mean by organ? 什么叫器官 And you give the answer. A group of different tissue or different tissue work together to become organ. You just can get 1 mark only. 你只能拿1分罢了 But why? 为什么呢 Don't know. Okay. So now you check your answer. A group of different tissue become organ. But this answer actually is not good, you know. 它的答案不够好。为什么呢 I show you. Okay, you see, So now they say I'm having the organ called bone, 骨头. And now I'm having another organ called eyes, 眼睛. But tell me, okay, different organs, bone and eyes, 骨头眼睛, can they join together to start a function? Can they work together and help you to do something? Cannot, yes or no? So when I say organ， 当我讲器官的时候啊 ，all the organs，OK， sorry。When I say system， 当我讲这系统的时候 ，system，OK，system。When I say system， all the organs in the system they must be work together， 他们一起做工。They can start a new function. So bone and eyes， 骨头跟眼睛，他们能做什么呢？ They cannot do anything one. Okay, so that's why when you give your answer should be look like this. What is mean by organs? A group of different tissue. Add another sentence that work together. 不一样的器官。Okay, sorry. Should be something like this. Oh, what is mean by system? 什么叫系统呢？ A group of different organ work together to perform a specific functions. So your first mark is here. Plus another one marks this sentence 这个句子 So fine 刚才有一点错误 Very sorry So what is mean by systems? A group of different organs work together to perform a specific function. Okay? 这样就对了 What is mean by organs? A group of different tissue 不一样的组织 They work together They join together to perform a function 进行某某的功能 So if the question is 2 mark Or maybe the question is just 1 mark only. You have to give these 2 sentences together. 这两句呢，一定要加起来才算的。Okay? So this is how we write the answer in exam. Okay. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.